Hello, good day, family. I'm White Saint, and today I want to tackle some of the basics of technical analysis. Some basics of technical analysis. We are not going to delve deeper as I want to cover some or majority of the basics of technical analysis. So let's quickly move on and see what we can do. Yes, the methods used to analyze securities. Securities here could be forex stocks or any tradable assets. Yes, we are saying that the methods used to analyze these things can be put under two main categories. The first one is fundamental analysis, and the second one is technical analysis. Today, most of what we are going to do today is going to be based on the technical analysis. Some other time, we will tackle fundamental analysis. But when it is necessary to borrow something from fundamental analysis, I wouldn't hesitate to do that. Quickly, let's move on. When we say technical analysis, what do we mean? Technical analysis is a method of evaluating security by analyzing the statistics generated by market activity such as price and volume. We have keywords such as past prices and volume. When we get to where we use this platform, you kind of will embrace this what we just said. Yes, when we are taking decision or financial decision based on price reaction in the past, and then the volume. We will talk about that when we are kind of trying to do some work on one or two platforms. Technical analysis do not attempt to measure a security intrinsic value, but instead it uses charts and other tools to identify patterns that can suggest future activity. When we are doing technical analysis, we don't make attempt to measure a security's value. When we try to do that, that means we are going to fundamental analysis. Are we getting that? Like how an economy is performing, the financial health of an economy. Are we getting me? When we try to do this, then it means we are doing the fundamental analysis. Are we getting me? But the technical analysis will use charts. We will try and then look at it, charts and other tools such as the trend line. The most basic one every trader makes use of is the trend line. Are you getting me? It looks like every trader makes use of the trend line. You'll be using the support and resistance tool. That is the rectangle. We will tackle that. We wouldn't want to do that, but the technical analyst makes use of charts and other tools to identify patterns. There are some patterns that had repeated itself in the past, and the technical trader believes that such patterns do repeat itself. How do they identify that? They use the chart and tools to identify patterns, and then they are able to predict that this pattern, this and that has done that, and now the price will move to this direction, or the price will do that. Alternatively, some technical traders might look at fundamentals to add strength to a technical signal. Like fundamentals, to me, they move together. I hope you are getting me. To me, they move together. You don't have to depend solely on what has been drawn. I've gotten advantage to take a course under Naveen G7FS. I think there are lots of secrets that the man exposed, and then it's important we blend the two. Let's assume there is a news release, and then a technical trader has no idea of what is about to happen. What do you think? If you are fortunate and then it goes in your favor, fine. What if it doesn't go in your favor? You lose money. And then to stay in the business, you have to protect your equity. So it is important you blend the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis. After doing your technical analysis on the chart, you go and see if there is a high impact news, low or the medium impact news. But we give preference or attention to the high impact news. Are you getting me? If a sales signal is given through a technical pattern and indicators, a technical trader might look to reaffirm his or her decision by looking at some key fundamental data. Would there be news? Would there be any other thing that might make price react? Yes, when you do that, it means you are adding little fundamental analysis to what your technical analysis. Now let's look at platforms for technical analysis. Like one may ask, where can I do this charting? Where can I get this trend line? Where can I do blah blah blah? These are platforms. There are special platforms designed for the technical trader to analyze what a security or a financial instrument. The most commonest platform is the TradingView. TradingView. The most commonest one is what? The TradingView. Sorry. Okay. Let me quickly take you to the TradingView. If you want to look at how the TradingView looks like, just open your browser, your web browser. It is important you open from a laptop or a PC. You can do that on phone anyway, but I enjoy using it on the laptop. Like you on the address bar, you enter trading. You see, I have it there already, TradingView, and then you click on enter. You click on enter, and then I think there is this home page, and then on your left superscript where my pointer is, you click on the three lines, you look at products. After clicking on product, you will see what? Charts. After clicking on chart, the interface will appear like this. This is how the TradingView looks like. We will come to that. And the second one we may want to talk about is what? The MetaTrader. We have MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is how the MetaTrader also looks like. This is the MetaTrader from IC Market, MetaTrader 4 and then MetaTrader 5. Each of them, the MetaTrader 4 and 5, they are almost similar. Except that you can use an indicator on the MetaTrader 4 on the MetaTrader 5. I don't know, the program is, this one is MQL5 and then the other one is MQL4. It means you can run MT4 indicators on on MT5. Yes, this is how it looks like. This is how the MetaTrader 4 looks like. The interface is almost the same. As you have the time frames. If you want to use the line charts, you have the candlesticks. I get that. Whichever way you are comfortable with. Let's quickly move on. Yes, MetaTrader 4 and 5. Now we know how MetaTrader 4 and 5 looks like. And then we now know how the TradingView also looks like. And then some platforms, especially crypto exchanges, they have inbuilt platform where you can conduct your technical analysis there. That of FTX, they have one. Almost every exchanger or exchange, they have a platform where you can do your analysis there. Others would want to do the analysis on technical, TradingView, and then they come and take trade on what on the broker or on the exchange. There are also other advanced platforms. They offer more advanced than what I've mentioned already. One of the most popular one is Sierra Chart. Very, very, very advanced platform. And then we have the CTrader, NinjaTrader, and then we have the TradeStation, and then others. There are several ones, but these are the few I'm familiar with, especially the Sierra Chart. Yes, and then you must work with one you are familiar with. It doesn't mean you have to learn everything. Just pick one or two, and then learn how to use it. Are you getting me? Yes, that is how we do it. And then as far as we are talking about technical analysis, we can't overlook trend or trends. Yes, one of the most important concepts in technical analysis is that of trend. A trend is really nothing. When we talk of trend, it refers to the general direction in which a security or market is headed to or is heading to. What is the trend of the market? It means it is the same as what is the direction of the market. We will look at the types of what trend. Trends are not always easy to see. Yes, Sometimes trends are not always to see. In any given chart, you will probably notice that price do not tend to move in a straight line. We will look at that. Are you getting me? Price doesn't move in a straight line, but rather in a series of what? Highs and lows. We will look at that when we come to our practical session. In technical analysis, it is the movement of the highs and lows that constitute what? A trend. We will look at that when we start with, well, we will look at that because we will tackle types of trend. For example, an uptrend is classified as a series of higher highs and what? Higher lows, while a downtrend is one of the lower lows and what? Lower highs. Yes, we will look at that. Then here we come with types of trend. Let's look at that. Types of trend or types of what? Market direction. There are three types of what? Trends or trend. The first one is what? The uptrend. The second one is what? The downtrend. And then the next one we talk about is what? The sideways or the horizontal trends. Others will say consolidation. When the trend is sideways, it means price is what? Consolidating. How you are getting me? The uptrend is where market is what? Pushing up. And then when market is in a downtrend, it means it is pushing down. We will look at that. But I'm only trying to use some terms which will make you understand what I mean. Now let's quickly look at the uptrend. The uptrend, let's assume market starts from here. Market will start from here. And then you see market making a higher high, an impulse move, and then a low, higher low. You see market going up. You see, when market is of this nature, when market exhibit these characteristics, breaking, this is the previous high. So market retrace from this point, it broke what? This side. Here we saw it breaking this side. We saw it breaking this side. When market is behaving like this, then we say that we are in what? In an uptrend. We say we are in what? An uptrend. The opposite is what? The downtrend. You see, market starts from here, it goes down, makes a lower low, makes a lower high, it breaks the previous lower low. You see, this place was broken, it makes another lower high, and that, this, and that. When market is behaving like this, when a lower low, series of lower low is being broken, then we are making what? A downtrend. That is how a downtrend is defined. And then we have when the market is ranging. Market is not making a higher high nor what? A lower low. Yes, it is unable to break the previous high. Neither is it able to break what? A previous what? Low. You see, when it is ranging in a channel, you see market is moving like this sideways. You can experience this in an uptrend or a downtrend. Yes, it takes time to identify that, but it is something you must learn. Charts. Yes, introduction to what? Charts. A chart is simply a graphical representation of a series of prices over a set time what frame. For this one, I would want us to, okay, let me take you to the MT5. This is the MT4. Yes, let's quickly identify the types of trend. Let me move to a higher time frame and see. Yes, a higher time frame and see. And let me take some few minutes to these are tools. All you see here, we said a technical analysis makes you for use of what? Tools. These are all tools you can make good use of. This is what? A rectangle. You can use it to what? You can use it to assist in drawing of what? Support and what? Resistance. Like that. How you are getting me? When you want to draw support and resistance. How you are getting me? Some people also use lines, but whichever way, only use what you are conversant with. You see? That is that. Another tool is what? The trend line. Don't forget. trend what line. You can adjust this trend line by double clicking it and then making changes. You can just change the color to, can increase the size or the width to any size you want. You see, are you getting me? And then these are what lines. When you want to make a line, when you want to make changes, you double click, you go to horizontal line properties. You can increase the size. You can even change the color to, let's say, blue. Are you getting me? It depends on how you want it to look like. Yes, let's identify what the trend we talk about. Yeah, okay, let me bring you here. Let's look at something here. Let's assume price started from here. You see, price made, let me change the color of this trend line to, let's say, black. Price made an impulse move here. You see, you must consider relevant ones. Not every higher high or lower low is relevant. It retraced to this point. There was an impulse move from the same point, breaking the previous high, which is this side. Price retraced and then made what? Another higher high. Sorry. Made, let me see. Okay, it's here. Made a higher high. Are you getting me? Yes. We saw an up move here. Here. We saw an up move here. And then we can also identify a downtrend. Let's look at how the downtrend was formed. Price retrace, and then we were expecting it to break this high. We were expecting it to break this high, but it was unable to break that high. It came here. We saw price breaking the previous low, which is this side. See, price broke here. It came up. Don't forget, we now know how a downtrend looks like. Once again, it broke the previous low here. Price retraced back again, and then price broke down, breaking another lower low. So when price is behaving like this, it means we are experiencing what? A downtrend. Are you getting me? It is important you analyze from the higher time frame. It's very important. Higher time frame direction is very powerful compared to the lower time frames. Are you getting me? So make sure any trade you take, you are in line with what? The higher time frame trend. It is something you must. Let's look at those who may want to use the trading view. Let's have some fun here. Let's have some fun. Let me delete. This is how the trading view. So this is a trend line. This is a trend line. Don't forget, the technical trader makes use of what? Tools. Are you getting me? Okay. Let's look at that. This is AUD USD. Okay, we have a downtrend formation here. Let's look at that. This is what? A trend line. That is where you can get your trend line from. Yes. Price broke this low. Price broke this low. It retraced, breaking the previous low. Oh no. So I'm supposed to come back. And then we saw price we saw price retracing again, and then we saw price breaking the previous what low. Are you getting me? Yes, that is what trend. Yeah. Don't forget. Then that is what an uptrend. But when we have a downtrend, price goes down, price comes up, it goes down, breaking the previous low, price retraces. Sometimes it can retrace more than 50% of the previous move. Are you getting me? When price is behaving like this, then we have what the what do you call it? We have the uptrend and what the but when price is kind of ranging, we have a ranging market or sideways what market. And then we were talking about getting me. Yeah, that is that. And then what again? So the most important thing, how to identify a trend. So let's try and get familiar with these things. Look at that. Just look, open any chart, one of these platforms I just showed you. Experiment what we've just done. Yes, you can leave your comment in the comment section, and then I'll find time and then what explain. How you're getting me? We will plead with you to also subscribe to Horizon TV. So that we can build audience, and then for the benefit of the industry, we move forward. Okay, I want to say thank you. Like I said, these are just basics. These are just basics, but if you take it serious, I think it will go a long way to help you. Yeah, every expert was once a beginner. Don't feel shy. Just be asking questions. Try and experiment them. Start with a demo account. Yes, just experiment some of these. So thank you for watching this video.